Hi students, in this exercise we will go through a couple of basic surface building controls that are available in Civil 3D. We will use them one at a time in order to observe their effects on the final surface. So basically what we are doing, we will solve the batch of densely packed contour in the surface. You can open this drawing from the description link 408, and when you will open your drawing you can locate the portion of the surface that contains poor elevation data inside the magenta circle. You can use your mouse to pan and zoom in the drawing. You have found the correct location when you zoom into the portion of the surface that resembles. This blob is a batch of densely packed contours where the surface is incorrectly picking up elevation at 0. So select the surface by clicking any part of the graphics in your drawing. From the TIN surface, e.g. extend contextual tab, click the surface properties icon. The surface property dialog box appears. Now select definition tab, and under the definition option at the top of dialog box, spend the build branch by clicking the plus symbol and verify that exclude elevation less than should be yes, because now we are excluding the elevation which is less than 60 meter. You can put 60 meter, or you can also put as per your own project which you are working, and click OK to accept the setting in dialog box. A warning message will appear. Civil 3D is warning you that your surface definition has changed. Now click rebuild the surface to rebuild the surface. You may see a message appear in panorama indicating that 3 points were ignored because they are below the given limit. If this is the case, close the panorama window by clicking the green check mark. Now zoom, extend, zoom in and out the first surface by double clicking. You can also check by double clicking, and when this step is complete the surface will look like something like this, which you can see we have not any error which we was already here for densely packed contour batch. So this is how you can solve the issue of this type of densely packed contours. Stay tuned with us for more control surface building controls in the next exercise.